Hi, ladies. Vivian Blaze here. If you've ever looked in the mirror after 50 and thought, wait a minute, when did my body become a stranger? Pull up a chair, pour some tea, or protein shake, because this one's for you. So, let me paint the picture. I'm 54, reasonably active, always tried to eat pretty healthy, and I've never been afraid of a salad or a slice of cake, let's be honest. But about a year ago, something shifted. My jeans got tighter. My arms got softer. My energy? Well, I'd say it disappeared, but that would imply it even left the house. And don't even get me started on my sleep, hot flashes turned bedtime into a campfire scene. And while all of that was frustrating, what really got me was this: I didn't feel like me anymore. So, naturally, I panicked. I tried the old tricks from my 30s, cutting calories, extra cardio, skipping carbs. But nothing worked. I was tired, cranky, and somehow still squishier than ever. Sir Whiskers, my sassy cat and part-time life coach, would just stare at me from the windowsill like, "You done yet, drama queen?" That's when it hit me, I didn't need a fad. I needed facts. So, I dove into the science, and what I found changed everything. Turns out, after 50, our bodies need different things. We lose muscle faster. Our hormones shift. And our metabolism, well, let's just say it's not the same dance partner it used to be. But here's the good news, that doesn't mean we're powerless. Far from it. I started strength training. Nothing fancy, I began with resistance bands in my living room, lifting dumbbells the size of soup cans, and doing squats with my cat judging me from the yoga mat. He's very critical of my form. Cooking, I upped my protein. Eggs, Greek yogurt, salmon, beans, anything that gave my muscles the fuel they needed to grow. I even found a protein powder that doesn't taste like drywall. Victory. I focused on fiber, more veggies, whole grains, and water. And guess what? My digestion improved, my cravings dropped, and that 3 p.m. energy crash? Gone. But let me be real, it wasn't overnight. There were weeks I didn't see the scale move. Times I thought, why am I even doing this? And then, it happened. One morning, I was getting dressed and realized my arms looked different. Stronger. More defined. My posture was better. I had energy, real energy, to get through my day. I felt proud. Powerful. Like me, but upgraded. Even Sir Whiskers gave me a little head tilt that said, "Okay, you're kind of a badass now." This wasn't about getting back to my 30-year-old body, it was about owning my 50s. About showing up for myself every day. And realizing that yes, it is harder after menopause, but it's also more rewarding. So if you're in your 50s, or beyond, and feeling stuck, hear me when I say, you are not broken. You do not need to starve. And you are absolutely capable of building strength, confidence, and vitality at any age. This is your second act, and it's going to be the strongest yet. And if all else fails, get yourself a judgmental cat. Accountability works wonders. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join our growing tribe of strong, radiant women redefining life after 50.